Happy Wednesday, everybody, and Merry Christmas. Wanted to let you know that today is the last day for your entries for the Pallet Up Cycle Challenge. And I've had a lot of great entries. We're at over 50 right now, so that's just phenomenal. I never expected to see that many people enter the Upcycle Challenge, and I'm honored and I appreciate you doing that. And we got some great prizes. So what I'd like to do is run through the list of prizes, and I do have a project build that I'm going to show you. It's a simple picture frame, but it's not the picture frame from pallet wood that I really want to share. It's more of what goes in the frame. So it's all together, and I'll get you some more info at the end of it on how we're going to do the randomizer. So stick with me, and special thanks to all of the sponsors. Microjig, obviously a pair of grippers that's going to be given away. Also Clearview Cyclones. Clearview Cyclones is giving away their mini Cyclone. And Eurekazone, EZSMART, the Universal Easy Guide, Universal Guide track system for straight edge cutting. It's an awesome tool. Also Rockler, Rockler's on board. It's got their the glue application master kit and the bench cookies. I want those. I'm not eligible, but they're great. Also Rockin' H Woodshop. Drew Short over at Rockin' H has donated a t-shirt or a hat, your choice, from his website, and also his special build, which was the pallet mallet, a cool little pallet mallet for the workshop. Pallets by Pawpaw, still waiting on his video, but his build video will be coming out real soon today, and that will also be a prize, and once you see that video, you'll know what I'm talking about. Also, Father Thomas with Monkwerks, he's giving away a Monkwerks baseball cap. We have Charles Deering, great scroll saw artist. He is giving away a beautiful scroll saw art portrait that he scroll sawed. It's just phenomenal work there, Charles, and I appreciate it. Also, myself, I'm giving away a Beats by Dre earpods, so you could use those while you're watching your YouTube videos. And I had an add-on, Mark Stallings from Mark's Spiritual Splinter Woodshop. He has a Facebook page, and I'm wanting to try to help him get some likes. So he's actually donated a cross that he scroll saw. He has risen with the crown of thorns. Beautiful piece of work, and that's going to be given away as a prize as well. So thanks to all those. I hope you enjoyed today's project, and I'll tell you how I'm going to do the randomizer at the end. pretty good likeness, I believe. I think it turned out nice. I think Mom will be happy with that. So just wanted to say thanks again for all the entries. Had a ton of them. I was more than overwhelmed with the entries, and they're still coming in, which is great. So we got till midnight tonight to get them turned in. And if you don't see yours on the playlist, please shoot me a message on Facebook or an email. Let me know, hey, I submitted mine before your deadline. I don't see it on the playlist. That way I can get you added to the playlist. I don't want anybody to miss out on that. We'll be announcing all of the randomizer drawing winners on New Year's Eve. Next Wednesday will be my next video, and that will be the winners of the prizes that was listed in the first of the video. It's also down in the descriptions below. Special thanks again to Mark for adding his prize in, and all of the other ones that's been throughout the beginning. I greatly appreciate all of the sponsors, and the entries wouldn't be possible without y'all guys. So thank you. Good luck to everyone. Keep the entries coming till midnight, and we'll see you next week. Always remember, be kind to one another.